How to change Gemini language on Google Apps. At first, you will have to open the Google app on your phone. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so after you open the Google, you will have to tap on the profile section just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to go with the settings. So simply tap on the settings. Alright, so now from this, you will have to go with the option Gemini. And now on this, you will got many options to change the Gemini settings. So simply for the language, you will have to go with the language settings. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here you can change your desired language whom you want to change in the Gemini app. So simply you can choose your desired language from here. Alright, so this is the easiest and simplest method to change the languages of Gemini app. So likewise, you can also change the languages of your desired language on Gemini app. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.